Good afternoon. My name is David Turner. I'm from the U.S. I came to India for a spiritual journey, and I picked Shiva Yoga Peeth for its wonderful location here on the Rishikesh Ganga River. Had an amazing time here. The teachers are top-notch, and the overall energy is amazing, and the people are beautiful. The culture and tradition is world-class, and if you want to experience a spiritual journey with amazing teachers, yoga, asana, mantras, everything, I recommend coming to Shiva Yoga Peeth for an education that will last your lifetime, and I will keep these memories with me forever. And so thank you so much. Namaste, and please come to India for your yoga experience. Thank you.